What's going on, my people? Welcome to the Freestyle Friday edition of the video blog. Y'all know what it is, man. I am John Valiant, the Rebel Stunner. And I just want to take a moment right now just to encourage you guys, right? Understand how it is, man. I know how it gets. Sometimes you go through those tests and those trials and those situations. And I pray you get this message, right? Keep going to the fire. This one is for you. Down to the wire. I've been down or two. Keep stepping up higher. Gonna make it through. And I'm inspired to say to you, tough times don't last, but tough people do. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Said God will see you through. You already know that's true. Trouble don't last, it will pass. You already know that's true. When your situation deteriorating around you, you can't appreciate the top. You never seen the ground view. And even so-called friends will kick you while you're down too. Got you feeling like the inner game 7, but you're down too. See, diamonds are developed under the pressure. Who would have known? The pain will turn this rock into a treasure. It brings pleasure to everyone who gets to see it glow, but they don't know what it had to go through for the shine to finally show. And when it get unbearable, don't shrink back and react impulsive and hysterical, but be ready for a miracle. What goes around goes around goes around like the merry-go. But that's something you already know. Let me know if you hear me, yo. Fire, this one is for you. Down to the wire. I've been down or two. Keep stepping up higher. Gonna make it through. And I'm inspired to say to you, tough times don't last, but tough people do. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Said God will see you through. You already know that's true. Trouble don't last, it will pass. You already know that's true. Chill. And I appreciate you guys. But that's something you already know. Let me know if you hear me, yo, in the comments below. Yeah. And when I tell you guys that something major is happening within the next couple of weeks, I mean that in such an epic way. Shout out to all you fellow hustlers. Shout out to everybody, man. I just want to encourage you guys, right? Because, you know, sometimes you can't see your way through the darkness. Sometimes you're going through some things, but you just have to hold on to the faith that, you know, sometimes your biggest breakthrough comes after your biggest breakdown. Sometimes you gotta step back and pray and ask for divine guidance to guide us, to help us feel our way through the mess sometimes when we can't see it. Man, leave me some comments below. And I appreciate you guys. Have an awesome weekend. It really brings me much joy to share this with you guys. Love and prosperity. Blessings. Stay tuned, yo. Inbox me. You want to know what's going down, man. The details of how we're using the internet connection to build an empire. Shout out to the team, all the rebels. Shout out to everybody stepping out their comfort zone. Let's get it. Let's go. Man, I don't just do these video blogs for what it means today, man. Gotta think ahead. I'm thinking about you guys. Peace. Chill.